Luxe Auto Concepts is a company that produces restyling kits and also produces light wrap, which is a material for professional tinters. I think one of our biggest challenges is actually getting the creative idea from our head to come out on the vinyl exactly how we expect it. There's too many printing limitations there. So the HP R1000 and its latex printing technology fixes all of those issues because the printer lays down an optimizer. So the ink is going to set perfect every time on the material.
We're using white ink, and we're using it in ways that many people haven't even thought of. It's given us the opportunity to knock out reflectivity and to provide a little bit of a texture to the print.
The R1000 and specifically the latex ink is critical to innovation because it lets us do exciting things like control the opacity, control the metallic properties of the print that we're achieving. There are no solvent smells to deal with.
The R1000 has dramatically decreased our production times. It also gives us the opportunity to run roll-to-roll unattended. That actually frees up another person in the production department. It's much nicer to not have to monitor a press all day long. I think in Luxe's future, the HP R1000 is going to be right at the front of everything we do. It is going to push us into better designs. It is going to push us into things that are hopefully going to take the wrap world by surprise.
We're really pushing what's possible with a wrap using different design techniques that utilize things from the movie industry, from game industries. Now we have this tool that allows us to produce those great designs and do things like print with dimension, which we couldn't do before. So the future for Luxe is bright. We don't know what we're going to do in the future, but we know we have machines that don't close any doors for us, and we're just going to keep pushing the boundaries.